Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02315 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I am creating one type called EMPOBJ. So EMPOBJ contains two fields, two fields, name and age. Next I am creating one table called emplo. So emplo table is referring the type EMPOBJ. Okay, next what I am going to do, I am going to insert one value to the table called emplo. So this is the syntax for emplo. ORA-02315, incorrect number of arguments for default constructor. What is the problem here is, so in insert query I need to insert name and age. So instead of that I have inserted only name field for the employee object. So now I am correcting the SQL query. So this is the correct SQL query to insert the values in emplo table. Now you can see values got inserted successfully. So while you insert the values for type, be careful. So it is not like ordinary insert. So check the Oracle documentation how to insert values for type object. Okay.